Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Today I'm going to boil some plantain porridge with Irish mash. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I already put the pot on the fire. I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut milk. Okay. As you can see, I already soaked my Irish mash from overnight. So I'm going to put it in the blender. Yes guys, I'm gonna put the plantain. So the plantain, yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the plantain to blend. I'm doing two green plantain. So I'm gonna cut them up. I'm just gonna quickly wash the plantain. Yes guys, my plantain is washed, ready to blend.
The inside of the pot with the coconut milk, and here's the blender with the plantain and Irish mash.
I'm gonna go ahead and add some oats as well. I'm gonna add some oats.
Why add the oats?
Just to give it to thicken it. Although the Irish mash is gonna thicken up the porridges. But three combination. Right, I'm ready. I'm gonna blend. guys, plantain is blended. And I'm gonna add it to the coconut milk. This is how it looks, guys. I'll blend out the sea mass, otherwise called Irish mass. Plantain and oats 3 in 1. Good source of fiber, vitamins. As you know, sea mass is good for your health as well. There's lots of health benefits. Yes, I'm gonna allow it to boil. Yes, guys, the porridge is coming on nice. Look, nice and thick. It's not finished boiling. I'm gonna let it boil some more. And then I can add the rest of my ingredients. Nice. It's gonna be bad when it's done. Yes, guys, I'm gonna start preparing my spices. I'm gonna grate my nutmeg. Do my nutmeg. You can add as much as you want. It's up to you. What amount you need. Okay. I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder as well. A bit of rose water. My vanilla is finished. I'm gonna add some salt. Get the spoon. Yes, guys, look, nice and thick. I'm gonna add peanut punch. You can do the raw peanut, it's up to you. I don't like the taste of the raw peanut, so I'm gonna do peanut punch. It's all about preference and taste. It's up to you what you like. You can blend the raw peanut. I'm gonna allow this to boil another 5 minutes. Then I add my milk to taste. Yes, guys, my porridge finished boiled, so I'm gonna add the milk. Just see here. I'm just putting the 1 tin of milk. I don't want it too sweet. So I'm not gonna put any sugar inside because I already put the peanut punch. Let's taste. It's nice. It's lovely. Yes, guys, porridge is ready. Plantain with sea mass and peanut punch. See? There you have it. Breakfast is served. Healthy breakfast. It's lovely. A slice of bread, butter bread. There you have it, guys. Breakfast is served. Healthy breakfast. Plantain porridge with sea mass and peanut punch. Slice of bread butter. Thank you so much for watching. Plantain porridge with sea mass and peanut punch. Bread and butter to go along the side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.